In this quick and very simple video, I want to show you how you can hide your Wi-Fi on your MTN Mifi so that it will always appear invisible and not public among other Wi-Fi networks. And people can always find it if only you choose to give them your Wi-Fi name. It's very simple, but first of all, make sure that your Mifi or your Wi-Fi is being connected to your device. You can do this on your phone or on your laptop, and you can see my Collins MTN Mifi is connected to my laptop. So after here, then come to your browser, any browser, and tap on it, and come here on the search bar here and type this IP address so that you can log into your MTN Mifi admin page or portal. So if you enter this exact IP address, enter. If you enter, it will load and bring you into this interface or login interface. Then they will say enter password. If you haven't changed your password yet or you just bought your Mifi newly, default password is admin in small letter. So just enter your password and tap on login to log into your admin portal. And you can see right now I've logged into my Mifi or MTN Mifi admin portal. So I know MTN Mifi come in different brands and models. Maybe your own models could be different from mine, which may likely have a kind of different interface from mine. You can see my own MTN broadband. My own is 4G Mifi N873 model. So now to hide your Wi-Fi so that it won't appear public anymore. Now on your interface or dashboard, look for device settings. I know you can find this on any of the Mifi interface. So tap on device settings, then to bring this pop-up, then scroll down and look for Wi-Fi settings. And you can see here Wi-Fi settings, tap on it. If you tap on it, then scroll a bit down and you can see right here SSID broadcast. It means this SSID means your Wi-Fi name. You can see my own is Collins MTN Mifi. That's network name or SSID. Understand? So to hide your Wi-Fi name, just come here and untick or uncheck this check mark. You can see it right. Then come here and tap on apply. If you tap on apply, and you will see right here all connected Wi-Fi devices will need to reconnect. So if you tap on this OK, it means that even if a device was being connected to your Wi-Fi, it will need to reconnect again. In fact, your Wi-Fi will now be invisible to all those devices except you choose to give them the Wi-Fi name. Now for instance, if I scroll down and come and tap here on this to ask or to see more, you can see right here SSID broadcast. If enable this function, the device will broadcast SSID. Other wireless devices will discover and connect to this device. So it means that if right now is disabled, so it means that my Wi-Fi right now is hidden and it won't be appearing as public and no one can find it except I choose to give those people my Wi-Fi name, calling it MTN Mifi. But to make it public again, I can come here and tap on this check mark here and come here again and tap on this apply. And you will see here, if applied, all connected Wi-Fi devices will need to reconnect again. If I tap on this OK for instance, so it will need to reconnect again. So guys, that is it. And that's how you can actually hide your Wi-Fi on your MTN Mifi. Thanks for watching and bye.